Pleated fly screen doors, a modern solution for modern living. System 22 is very discreet. It can be installed as a single door for widths up to 2.4 meters wide and as a double door for widths up to 4.4 meters wide. The doors can either be fitted to the door reveal or to the door frame itself using the face-fitting profile. This beautifully designed door is very durable and made from the best quality materials. The cassettes are made from high quality powder coated aluminium, and the pleated mesh is supported by non-stretch Vectran cords. Modern living has lent towards the use of bifolding doors. And the unique features of System 22 enable very wide doors to be protected, without the loss of that all-important view. Cassettes are available in two colours, white and anthracite, although any colour is available by special order. For more information, email us or give us a call. We're happy to help.